Let's follow along with account executive Catherine Davidson and see how RevenueCloud helps her to incentivize and reward contributions from her team. Catherine reports to VP of Sales Andy Kimura. She needs his attention on her deals in order to succeed. Seth Gerard, account executive professional services, defines and quotes the services components of Catherine's deals. Seth's involvement is essential to Catherine's success with large opportunities. Seth reports to Director of Professional Services Stephen Matthews. Catherine needs Stephen's attention and support in order to get enough of Seth's time to win her large opportunities. Catherine's working on a new opportunity for her customer Best Buy. The opportunity is a social media marketing campaign. When Catherine saves the opportunity, RevenueCloud has already created a default 100% split for her, the opportunity owner. As VP of Sales, Andy's entitled to 100% overlay. So Catherine clicks New, enters Andy's name, enters 100%, and clicks Save. In this example, Catherine's going to share this deal 50-50 with Seth. So she clicks New, enters Seth's name, puts 50% for Seth, updates her percentage to 50, and saves. We can now see all three splits and their totals on the RevenueCloud panel. Let's view the current status of this deal in a RevenueCloud report. Catherine and Seth have their 50-50 split, and Andy owns 100% overlay on the deal. Now suppose Catherine and Seth are entitled to a 7% commission on this deal. She can track that in RevenueCloud by going into the commission field, entering 7% for herself and Seth, clicking Save, and we can see that the RevenueCloud panel is now displaying their 7% commission for their splits. And we can go into a RevenueCloud report and we can track those commissions across opportunities by rep. RevenueCloud works seamlessly with products and schedules in Salesforce opportunities. Now Catherine is going to add products to the opportunity to itemize the services and subscriptions being offered to the customer. She selects the appropriate products, sets the quantities, enters the start dates, and clicks Save. The opportunity amount and the values displayed by RevenueCloud, such as Andy's 100% overlay, are now all driven by the value of the products and schedules that Catherine has added. Let's take a look at a couple of the products. The Ad Server Integration product is a one-time services fee of $29,000. There are no revenue schedule entries associated with this product. Let's take a look at the Social Media Campaign product. This product was set up with a 24-month default schedule. So when Catherine added it, she automatically got a 24-month revenue schedule inserted. Behind the scenes, RevenueCloud has already split this three ways, providing Seth's 50%, her 50%, and Andy's 100% overlay. The Sponsored Posts product also had a default schedule set up on it. This one has an 18-month revenue schedule, so when Catherine added it, the revenue schedule was automatically created beginning on the start date that she entered into the line item, with monthly entries running for 18 months. So the amount of the opportunity hasn't changed. And in fact, the booked revenue hasn't changed either. But what if we want to see recognized revenue? That's the real value of using revenue schedules. This RevenueCloud Recognized Revenue Report provides essential visibility into the value of this opportunity in the current fiscal year. Note that all of the one-time services fees appear in May, but only 8 months of the overall 24 months of subscription revenue appear in the current fiscal year. Andy Kimura wants to incent his sales reps to increase their close rate for subscription sales. But Andy knows that if he compensates them according to recognized revenue in the current year, they'll be less incentivized the closer they get to year end, since they won't get paid for new deals until the following year. So Andy decides to compensate his reps against the entire first year of subscription revenue during the period when they close their opportunity. Unfortunately, not everyone's as excited as Andy. Julie Bartle of Sales Ops is stuck struggling in Excel trying to calculate first-year revenue. Fortunately for Julie, this is easy to solve with RevenueCloud. Before we begin, let's make sure we understand the requirement. We want to capture all scheduled revenue entries from opportunities closed in a current year with scheduled dates within 1 year of a contract start date. A custom date field has been added to Opportunity. This provides a place to store the contract start date for the deal. The contract start date is going to be August 1st, 2014, which is just under 2.5 months after the actual close date of the opportunity. Now Catherine can insert the products and set the start dates to the contract start date rather than the close date of the opportunity. Let's take a look at the 2-year social media marketing campaign. It now begins on August 1st, 2014, the contract start date, and runs through July 2016. Let's go behind the scenes and take a look at the RevenueCloud data. This is the RevenueCloud product object. It mirrors opportunity products and provides a parent for the RevenueCloud line item schedule object, which contains the granular split revenue by rep under every product. This RevenueCloud line item schedule entry represents Catherine's split of the first installment of the 24-month social media marketing campaign product. There are a wealth of standard fields already included on the RevenueCloud line item schedule object. But it's really the ability to add custom fields at the granular schedule level underneath opportunity products that enables practically infinite click-to-configure customization potential. You see, every formula field that you add to RevenueCloud line item schedule has access to all standard and custom fields in account, opportunity, opportunity product, product, user, and all of their related parent objects. Here's the first year formula field that's been added to RevenueCloud line item schedule. It is simply checking whether the current schedule entry is within the date range of the first year of a contract according to the custom contract start date field that's been added to opportunity. The custom formula field called first year revenue displays the value of the revenue field if the first year field is true, and 0 if the first year field is false. And the custom formula field called first year overlay displays the value of the overlay revenue field if the first year is true, and 0 if the first year field is false. Now let's return to Catherine's first RevenueCloud line item schedule entry under the 24-month social media marketing campaign product. This schedule entry knows that the close date of its parent opportunity is 5/18/2014. It knows that the product date is 8/1/2014, and the schedule date of this entry is also 8/1/2014 because this is Catherine's share of the first monthly entry of the 24-month subscription. Consequently, our first year custom formula field reads true. Now let's navigate to Catherine's RevenueCloud line item schedule entry for 8/1/2016. The first year field is false here, as it should be, because the first year of monthly installments actually runs through 7/31/2015, and this schedule date is 8/1/2015. This schedule entry is outside of the first year of the contract. In fact, it represents Catherine's share of the first entry of the second year of monthly installments of the social media marketing campaign product. 2 custom currency fields have been created on Revenue Split: first year revenue and first year overlay revenue. These fields will serve as summary fields in the RevenueCloud panel, which RevenueCloud will automatically populate with the summarized values of the associated custom formula fields on RevenueCloud line item schedule. These custom summary fields will enable Catherine and her team to see their first year revenue and first year overlay amounts for each opportunity in real time right on the RevenueCloud panel. The revenue splits and product splits user interfaces are configurable via their associated field sets. This is the field set for the revenue split object. To configure the fields, click Edit. Drag the new fields we've created into the field set. And click Save. In order to configure RevenueCloud to populate the new fields on Revenue Split as custom summary fields, they were given the exact same API names as the new formula fields on RevenueCloud line item schedule that are intended to be summarized. Then they were added to the RevenueCloud line item schedule summary field set. Now the custom first-year revenue and first-year overlay revenue amounts will be continuously updated during every opportunity update and displayed on each revenue split right on the RevenueCloud panel on the opportunity page layout to users who have a RevenueCloud license, but only those users who have permissions in Salesforce to read the particular fields. Now Catherine and her team have a report that continuously displays first-year revenue and first-year overlay revenue by rep and opportunity, according to opportunity close dates within any fiscal period. You can put down that hammer now, Julie. You just got your weekends back. RevenueCloud also supports splitting at the opportunity product level. In this example, Catherine owns all the products in the opportunity, except the ad server integration product. But she knows she can't close the deal without the ad server integration component. She absolutely needs Seth Gerard's assistance in order to close. But Seth is in high demand from other AEs. The best way to make this happen is through incentive compensation. If Seth and Seth's manager, Steven, know up front that they'll receive credit and compensation for their role in quoting the ad server integration portion of Catherine's deal, she'll be much more likely to get their attention and assistance. VP of Sales Andy Kimura will be incented to see to it that all members of this cross-functional team collaborate to achieve a win because he's getting 100% overlay on the entire deal. It's only going to take a few clicks for Catherine to set this up in RevenueCloud. She enters the 100% overlay for Andy. And for Seth and Steven, she enters 0% splits at the opportunity level in preparation for configuring their product splits. Now she navigates down to the ad server integration product in order to apply the product splits. She clicks Create Product Splits, updates her percentage for this product to 0. She sets the percentage for Seth to 100 since he's going to own all of this product. She sets 100% overlay for Steven as Seth's manager. Andy already has his 100% overlay, so she leaves that unchanged and clicks Save. Seth now owns all the revenue for the ad server integration. Andy has his 100% overlay for this product, and Steven has his 100% overlay as well. Navigating back up to the opportunity level, we can see that the custom summary fields now reflect the revenue and overlay adjustments from the product split. Andy's 100% overlay of first year revenue, Steven's 100% overlay of the ad server implementation product, Seth's 100% revenue for the ad server product according to the product split, and we can see that Catherine owns the value of all of the other products. Now we can see that the first year recognized revenue by rep report is revealing the results of the product split. So what's the bottom line? Success is about working together. RevenueCloud makes it easy. Let's check in with the team. Catherine is happy. Support from her team helped her close her deal. Seth is happy. He was compensated for his teamwork on Catherine's deal. Steven is happy. He was recognized and paid for his team's involvement. Andy is happy. More subscription revenue contracts closed. Remember Julie from Sales Ops? Julie's happy too, now that she's not spending her weekends in Excel. Are you happy?